Hey, this is me, Isra Ahmed from Travel Guy. In today's video, we are going to learn about new plugin which is really easy, cool, and for free. This video is not for promotional content. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends. So let's open any browser you want to open it. So just search for Google Earth Studio. When you search for Google Earth Studio, so you will see this kind of interface which is really cool, easy, and best. If you want to see the 3D video of that, so you can see it here. The second thing, try Google Earth Studio. Okay, the third one, if you want to sign up, so just sign up here. And when you sign up the Google Earth Studio, you can see it here. Okay, first of all, you will see the world you want to. So here are the keyframes, attributes, anything you want. So let me know in the comment section, so we will know more about Google Earth Studio, how to use it, how to locate yourself, and how to make 3D videos from Google Earth Studio, which is really easy, cool, and perfect. If you want to open any specific place like this one, I want to open, so it will open it for you in 3D. Okay, so which is really cool. You can see it like it is 3D. How now you can see it is 3D. It is the best thing, like the best plugin which I have ever seen. The best thing which I like the most, like time of day. Okay, so half world is like in night and half world is in day. So it's really good plugin. Please, if you find this video helpful, so please let me know in the comment section. We will know more about Google Earth Studio in the next video. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with your friends, and must join WhatsApp community. The link is in the channel's bio. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.